What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be going over my hot water heater that I just got for my camper, and finally got the shower all set up and planned and everything working. So I'm just going to take you guys along and show you how I got it all working. Let me start by showing you which one I bought. So this is it, guys. It's a little propane hot water heater. It's made for outdoor use only, but I think it's going to work perfect in this little cubby hole. You can see this is the box it came in. Heats up to 143 degrees, and I can tell you right now that it works very well. 2.2 liters a minute. I believe that's around half gallon a minute. Here's the dimensions for you. But yeah, made by Hike Crew. They make this one. This one was $250. Then they make another one for $350, and the one for $350 has a built-in battery, but I didn't really need that, and read some of the reviews saying the battery didn't last long anyway, so I just decided to save the $100 and get the one that straight plugs in. So I'll show you everything. I'm going to take it out and show you everything in a second here, but let me just show you what I have on the inside. I just rigged this up. So I still have some crumbs from drilling through. This is how I wanted it. I just have it come out this little side over here, and then this is your shower head. I think I'm gonna have it just, I have like a little holder for it right here, and it has an on-off switch right on the shower head. Let me give you guys a quick demonstration just to show you that it works, and then I'll take everything out and explain it all. Let me turn my inverter on. My hot water heater is already plugged in. I think I can do it all from inside right here. This is in the way a little bit. You just unscrew this. I should be able to turn it on from right here, just because I know where the buttons are. I should turn it on. I should start it. Yep. And there we go. It's not hot yet. And it just got hot. My camper's tilted right now towards the front, so the water's gonna pull up right there. But oh yeah, nice and hot water. I can control how hot the water gets. I can shut it off right here just by flicking the switch up and then turn it back on. You can see the water draining out the back here. Nice hot water. Let me just shut it off. So the one thing that didn't come in the mail yet, I bought on Amazon, is a 5-gallon water tank that's going to fit back in this little cubby hole, and that's going to be the water tank for this guy. So I'm just using this guy for now. This is for my sink water, just so I can show you guys how it all works. But I am going to have a 5-gallon water tank that sits back in that little corner. It's all working really well so far. The one thing I'm not 100% sure about is if it's gonna run okay with just these vents. So I have this vented here and this vented here. If it does want to shut off on me while this door is closed, then the only thing I'll have to do is just come open this door right before I take a shower. Not the end of the world, even if it does. I haven't actually tested it yet to see if it works with this door closed. But even if it doesn't, then it works fine with this door open. So this is the exhaust right here, so it just shoots straight out. Got another hole that goes through back there for the plug. This is the plug right here. It comes through right there, right into the inverter. But I'll take it out quickly and just show you guys how it all works. It's actually a really simple little system. All you have to do to get the hot water to start is you press the on button and then you press the start button, and that's it. Then the hot water starts coming out. I've already preset it to low, so I don't have to mess with this if I want to take a shower. Like I said, all I have to do is turn it on and then press start. So having it on low I think is going to be hot enough. It seems to get really hot. I might turn it up just a little bit, but having it on high, it gets way too hot for me personally. Low seems like it's almost the perfect temperature already. Like I said, maybe turn it up a little bit. And then back here, it just takes these small camping propane tanks. Not exactly sure how much it uses. I'll have to do some more testing on that just to see how many I'm gonna have to keep with me. For how much water it uses, if it uses a half gallon a minute and I have 5 gallons, then I'll have like 10 minutes worth of shower per 5 gallon tank. I should be able to take like 2 quick showers off of that before I have to fill up my water tank. But you can see it has the water inlet. That's where this one goes. It has a little pump and a filter right here. Goes into the water. And this guy is just a little quick connect right into the water inlet. And then this is power for the pump that gets plugged in right there. And then that's where your main power goes. That's plugged into my inverter. And then right here, that's where the hot water comes out. So if you wanted to, you could use this. You could use this just to wash your hands or something, because the hot water can just come straight out of here. But then that's where I have my shower head going through the wall, and it connects with the same type of little quick attachment right on here. And then on the shower head, when you turn it off, it actually shuts off the propane, the heat too. So when you turn it back on, it's not like scalding you with some really hot water. Seems like it's a really nice little heater. I have high hopes for it. I haven't had any issues with it so far. I've used it, tried it out maybe like 3 times. Still waiting for the other water tank, that 5 gallon slim water tank, to get here before I can really test it out and use it and try using it with the door closed and everything. But so far everything's working great. I think I'm gonna put a small food tray or something here just in case this thing ever decides to leak on me, and a small tray will just be able to catch any water just in case I don't get to it fast enough, just so it's not soaking and getting to this wood. Pretty much fits in my little cubby hole perfectly. You gotta put it in this way and then kind of turn it. But once it's in there, I don't really plan on taking it out much once I go camping. So yeah, all this is gonna be self-contained inside of here, and I have a lock planned for my door just so nobody can steal it, and I'll be able to unlock the door from the inside too. I think that's the best way to do it. This hose for the shower head, I'm gonna have to caulk it right there where I drilled it through, put some caulking around there. This thing is just gonna be pretty much permanently attached to it. I won't be able to take it in and out, but that's okay. I'm still waiting on my toilet. I ordered that a few days ago. That should be here any day now. And then my camper is pretty much ready to go. Hike Crew portable shower water heater. This thing came with actually a really nice bag too. Little carry bag that I won't use for this hot water heater, but still a really nice bag. I'll definitely use it. Still gotta do some testing, gotta see how much propane it uses, see if it holds up, see if it works with the door closed. It did come with a cigarette connector too, if you need to power it that way. Actually really happy with this guy. I'm not super worried about it, but I might line the inside of this with like a welding blanket or something, some type of like fireproof material, just in case. I'm always gonna have a fire extinguisher with me as well. Not sure if this will be enough ventilation for it or not, but we'll find out. And worst comes to worst, it runs just fine with the door open. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm really excited now. I had this planned for a long time, and getting this bathroom done in here was like my biggest goal for this camper. So I'm actually really happy that I got it all to work. Everything seems to be holding up fine. I'm gonna have to do some testing, take some actual real showers in here and get some use in it before I get on the road and actually use this camper, just to make sure everything's actually working right and there's no leaks, and just really get some use in it before I head out on the road. Looks like everything's working great so far, but I'll leave a link down below to the toilet that I bought and this portable propane water heater, just in case you guys want to do something similar. If you enjoyed this video, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on the next one, and leave a like down below, please. Thanks. So that's gonna be it. Hope you guys have a great day. Peace.